ISO is at auto, but the ISO is at 7336, 1/60th shutter at 60 FPS. The noise cancellation is off. The stabilization is off. I have this set at 90 megabits per second with 510 kilobits per second with the audio, which is an unheard of kind of bit rate for audio, but I maxed it out. With the flashlight off. This is with the flashlight on. Train is picking up a lot of speed. Here's the end of the train. The MC24 FPS app is really good for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. There you go, guys. High frame rate footage at nighttime. If you enjoyed that little quick clip, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing for more, and I'll see you next time. Signing out from Stockbridge, Georgia at night. This video was recorded on May 8th, 2024 at about 11:25 to 11:28 p.m.